Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reverse a video in Canva step by step. This is a really fun feature you can use for creative edits, slow motion effects, or just to make your videos look more unique. Let's get started. When you're on the home screen, you'll see a blank Canva project. Now, I'm going to take a video from the Elements section and set it as the background, but you can use your own uploaded video if you want. Next, go over to the left-hand menu and select Apps. In the search bar, type Video Reverse and you'll see the app appear. Click on it, then tap on Open. The app will load for a few seconds. Once it's ready, just tap on Start and upload or select the video you want to reverse. Now, the tool will process your video. Once the export is done, you'll see a small menu. Just ignore the extra options and select Reverse. Wait a few moments and the app will process the final version of your reversed video. After that's complete, your reversed video is ready to use. Now just bring it back into Canva, place it in your design or background, and you're all set. It's that simple. And that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.